Okay, have you ever extruded an object? Let's say I take this ball for instance. I like to show these little tiny things rather than. So if I extrude an object, I get this nifty little widget tool that allows me to scale and move at the same time. Also, this tool is based upon local space instead of world space. Okay, which is pretty powerful if you really think about it. You can, scale and manipulate the whole little block just like that. Unlike its predecessor, if I highlight these ones and then go and use the scale tool here, this one's based upon, world space. Now, what's nice about this one is I can scale inward uniformly, unlike its other one that I just used that you cannot do that. Okay, I like having the ability to go to both without having to go to the extrude tool. Looks like I got a little copy here. Let me get that out of here. So you can do that. There is a way to actually use both tools at the same time. Here, if I highlight these, again, world space. Okay. And in here, I have a thing called transform component, which will transform these components here and based it upon local space. Okay, very helpful. Trust me. You cannot get that kind of deformation right there or here by using the other scale tool. Let me show you why. Okay, because it's based upon uniformity. See what happens? It crunches up. It crinkles. Bad stuff happens. But if I go into the actual deform component, and then I go scaling in, see, it all scales uniformly. That really comes in handy when you're doing muscles. Okay, so practice using both. I can quickly go to extrude. If I need to scale uniformly, I go back to scale. Okay, but if I need to take a whole bunch of these and scale them non-uniformly, which would, if I went like this, weird. And if I went in here, said transform component, then did it. Nice. Okay. And you can see how easily it is to actually go in there and do some really cool transforms with that. Alright, so that is transform component. Very handy. On to the next tool.